So I'm up here to get me something to eat at this place right here. So guess who I see? Or guess what I see? A tool truck. Now, here's the deal. I got a shit ton of broken Matco tools. Oh, let me see something. Hold on, watch this. Hey, you don't come down to the store? You don't come down to the dealer down there?
Which one?
The Jeep.
Dodge dealership?
Yeah.
Y'all weren't on my list when they got me set up. Y'all don't have.
Oh, you just got it set up? No,
well, I've been doing it 2 years, but
for real?
every shop is assigned to us.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, I've got shops that I see that aren't assigned to me, but to be honest with you, my schedule is so full.
Oh, is it?
I don't know if I have time. My first stop of the day is at Tires Plus right there. If y'all just want to
right there. That's right down the street.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh. All right. Well, yeah. What day you go there?
Monday morning.
Monday morning.
Yeah, I'm usually pulling up about 8:40.
Okay. I'll tell the fellas if they anything, but we don't have no trucks come by there. Was Mac done?
Yeah, I mean in this area, I think so. Yeah.
Golly. Oh man, that's crazy.
What I'm trying to do, and I'm not making any promises, but if I can wake my ass up early enough on Monday morning to get to y'all, I'll pull in real quick. I gotta be quick with everybody, but I'll see what I can do.
That's cool. I'll let them know, and I'll let them know about the Tire Plus if they get.
Yeah, in worst case, they can always catch me there.
Yeah, it's right down the street. So.
Yeah.
All right, man. I thought I saw you. I was about to get some lunch, and I seen you. Better go in there.
You want a couple cards?
Yes, please. Cool dude.
There's a few of them, and there's a current flyer too.
All right, appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, thanks, man. Alrighty, I just made a new friend. He ain't going to lunch. He going to this body shop right there. Matco. Now y'all know me. This ain't for me because I'm not a tool truck guy. But I do. Some of my co-workers are hardcore tool truck. Man, you wouldn't catch a damn Harbor Freight tool in a toolbox or Northern or anything. In fact, while I got a little time before I go ahead and give me something to eat. Let's see what we working with. What Matco? No flex zone. Okay. Matco got their own little version of the electric drills. Alrighty. Ooh, that is the selling point right there. 1,800 foot-pound. What else? Pliers. Okay. Ratchet, wrenches. Yeah. Y'all better get with the program. These are high quality tools, guys. Y'all know me. I'm a professional, but not all of my tools are professional grade. I mean, I can pick and choose which, like say for instance this. I mean, do this really have to be Snap-on, Matco? It can be anything. I don't know if that's a good price or not. Everybody's price gouging, price shopping now. Well, price comparing now. So, yeah, I'm no exception. I do need one of these, but oh my goodness. I'm not here to dog them out, but that thing is $35 at AutoZone. Oh my goodness, come on people. Tap and die set. Anybody had a broke screw lately and needed a tap and die set? Grease gun? Is that a grease gun? Oh, piston and lever mode grease. It is a grease gun. Damn, who still got grease fittings out there? What the hell? We moved away from that. All right, professional grade drill bits. You can't beat that, guys. Scan tools. Maximum diagnostic thermal imaging. Man, they got all kinds of goodies now. Okay, I ain't down. I use one scan tool to do all my. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? No, they didn't. They contracted Milwaukee Tools fuel pressure gauge. Y'all know my thoughts on anything from a gauge standpoint. Okay, a gauge just read whatever it is. Whatever it was designed to read. I mean, okay, let me leave that alone. But Milwaukee, they gonna have to compete with Lowe's, Northern, not Lowe's, Home Depot, everybody with Northern. Damn, $200. Okay, guys, we're living in a world of markup. Okay, everybody have to mark up things in order to make a profit. I would never knock that. All right, that is just the society we live in. Look at these gauges. Do they do? Oh my goodness, they finally got 1, 2, 3, 4 YF gauges. Really, it's all about the fittings. I mean, your current gauges can be manipulated to read just about anything. That AC machine, that's a good one too. Even got Matco socks. My feet would feel so much better with some Matco socks. What y'all think? I might pull the trigger and get me some damn Matco socks. All right, yeah, pretty interesting. He left me his card, so I'm gonna have to holler at my man and or let them know. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna let the guys know, because again, this ain't for me. All right, guys, let me stop clowning around. Go ahead and get me something to down eat and wrap this up, because I've been fooling with this thing for far too long. Far too long. All right, guys. That's all. There he is. Matco. He over there at that body shop. Guys, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.